Triangle ABC is shown on the coordinate plane below. The triangle is dilated from the origin by a scale factor of 4. Identify the coordinates on the dilated triangle A prime, B prime, C prime. When something is dilated from the origin, all we have to do is multiply the coordinates by the scale factor. So A has the coordinates -10, +6. B has the coordinates -11, +2. And C has the coordinates -4, +4. So A prime will be -10 times 4, and then 6 times 4. B prime will be -11 times 4, and then 2 times 4 for the y coordinate. C prime will be -4 times 4, and +4 times 4. So A prime is -40, 24. B prime is -44, 8. And C prime is -16, +16. Those won't fit on our graph, so we're not going to graph them, but we do want to make sure we have those coordinates listed with our work shown. 2. Triangle ABC is shown on the plane below. The triangle is dilated from the origin by a scale factor of 5/4. Identify the coordinates of the dilated triangle A prime, B prime, C prime. That one is also drawn on mine, but I believe it's not drawn on yours. You may just have the ABC triangle, the original. So we're going to do the same thing. A has the coordinates -14, -8. B is at -12, -1. And C is at -4, -1. So for A prime, we have -14 times 5/4, and then -8 times 5/4. All right. 14 and 4 both have a 2 in common. So we have -35 over 2 as our first one, because we have that negative, and the 4 and 8 both have a 4 in common. So we can divide that out. 2 times 5 on the top makes 10, and then we have a bottom of 1. Oh, but it is negative also. The 12 has a 4 in it, and it has 3 left over, so -15 for that one. The next one is just -5/4, because -1 times something just makes that version negative. The 4's divide out, so we have -5, and then our second part of the coordinate is -5/4. You don't have to change these to mixed numbers. You can leave them as improper fractions.